On June 19th, Nikola founder and chairman Trevor Milton sent two breaking tweets announcing dates for the much-anticipated Nikola World 2020 and the groundbreaking date for Nikola's Coolidge, Arizona factory, where the company plans to build its Nikola TRE Semi to directly compete with the Tesla semi-truck. Nikola World 2020 will be held on December 3rd and 4th in Phoenix, Arizona, where the Badger will be unveiled for the first time. On the other hand, Nikola Factory in Coolidge, Arizona breaks ground July 23rd. The ceremony will be held there to kick off construction of the plant that will build zero-emission semi-trucks and create thousands of jobs. This announcement could not have come at a better time for Nikola fans. Earlier this week, Nikola unveiled 3 reservation packages pertaining to the Badger electric truck. The packages start from $250 and go all the way up to $5,000. According to Forbes, Nikola has partnered with established industry manufacturers including equipment maker C&H Industrial and German automotive supplier Robert Bosch. Nikola will be initially manufacturing its trucks at C&H facilities in Europe. The company intends to eventually manufacture its trucks in its new factory in Arizona. Meanwhile, on June 19th, Tesla unveiled the lowest ever cost to go solar in the US. Tesla just cut the price of its solar panels and improved solar panel energy efficiency by 10%. The company recently introduced the lowest price guarantee. If a client changes his mind after purchase or is dissatisfied with the system, Tesla will uninstall it and issue a full refund within 7 days from the system turn on. Tesla also offers a low-cost solar subscription for a fixed monthly fee in 6 states that customers can cancel at any time. This service was launched in the summer of 2019. The company explains that lower prices are made possible by a few simple improvements to an industry that has been around for decades. During this time, it became possible to simplify the order and installation of solar panels by moving to standard panel sizes, which customers can quickly order from the Tesla online store. More than 80% of the company's customers choose the standard size recommended on the website, and the move to a digital experience helped cut marketing costs by 64%. However, despite the price drop and increased efficiency, experts are still uncertain on whether the savings in power costs will be enough to justify the cost of Tesla's solar panel systems or not.